1972 Chevrolet Camaro SS Pro Touring car. Sorry about the noise in the background, my guy's doing something. But anyway, beautiful Indian bronze pearl is the name of the color on this car. Recent restoration. I'm gonna walk around this beauty and show you this Pro Touring setup. Excellent paint throughout the vehicle. It's not a cheap paint job by far. Chrome looks new, obviously. All the bezels. All the stainless steel around the back window. Beautiful wheels. Four-wheel Corvette disc brakes all around. Vintage torque thrust wheels. Dual sport mirrors. G-force tires. Excellent restoration, guys, gals. Excellent restoration. Wait till you see what's under the hood. Well, I'm gonna let the cat out of the bag. It's an LS3. 6-speed Tremec, Mosier rear end. Frames all tied in. Let's move over and check out the interior. Look at these door jambs. All new weather stripping. All new interior, beautiful door sills, smooth rockers, inner quarters. Look at how nice that outer door jamb looks. Beautiful bucket seats that recline. New gauge package throughout. Nice dash. Look at the weather stripping, like I said. You see that pearl now? That Indian bronze pearl? That's just a little dust right there. Tilt wheel. Everything is new. These seats recline back. Dome light functions. I mean, the headliner is not perfect. It could be tightened a little bit. Sun visors look great. Back seats. All the seat belts are there. Front, back. 6x9s. Let's check out the trunk. Round key is for the trunk. Okay. This is where you put the fuel in, right there. Okay. Let's check out the trunk. Full spare tire with the BFG Goodrich G-force tire. Excellent trunk. Yes, your fire extinguisher just in case. Everything's been professionally painted. Check out underneath this puppy. Rotisserie restored. Let's check out the passenger side now. Oh, check out the package tray from the back. Excellent door jambs on this side as well, just like the driver's side, like new. Man, look at that 6-speed shifter right there. Whew, baby. I'm saving the best for last. All right. We got a full house of awesome classics, guys. MGMClassicCars.com. To open up the hood here, it's right here. You pull this and you pop the hood. Okay? It takes two hands. All right, guys. This is not an LS1. It's not an LS2. It's an LS3. Professionally installed. Runs, drives, stops. Excellent with the four-wheel Corvette disc brakes, the power steering, upgraded headers, Beautiful restoration, as you can see, and a beautiful car. Very reliable, very fast, and with that 6-speed Tremec, man, I'm loving it. I am loving it. Pop the headlights on. If you guys want to change these with the halo lights, not a problem, can do so. Be a little additional cost. I think it's like $300 if you want that added on. And also if you wanted the LEDs in the back, you can. But these look good. All four corners, everything works, everything functions like it should. Whew, man. Let's fire it up. So you got tilt wheel. Here's your controls for your heat. $202 miles. Woo-hoo. Oh, baby. Left, right. Wipers. Horn. Then you got your Autometer vintage radio, Bluetooth, 6-speed Tremec right there. Oh man, oh man. I would love to take this for a ride, man. But it's December here in Illinois, and this puppy does not go out on days like this. It's cold out. Woo. Woo. All right. So really quick, if you guys are looking for financing, you got to have a credit score, let's just say 650 to about 725. You're going to need about 10% down to get this approved through the loan. And if you're a credit score of like 725 and above, I can probably get you done with no money down, or with money down at a little better rate. Rates start about 5.9 from today's rates. They do change. But anyway, if you need delivery, the only way to ship this thing is enclosed carrier. It's way too nice to go open carrier. So call me, text me, email me with your zip code. I can get this off to you. So once again, 1972 Chevrolet Camaro SS Pro Touring Resto Mod LS3 6-speed Tremec, Mosier rear end, frame's been tied together, bucket seat, shifter right on the floor, upgraded gauges, beautiful, beautiful paint job. Call me, text me here at mgmclassiccars.com. My number is 847-848-1850. And as you can see, we got a lot of babies, a lot of honeys here. Oh, yep. If you want to see any of these, go to mgmclassiccars.com and you can take a look at them. We ship worldwide. Give me a call, text me, email me. Thomas here at 847-848-1850. Buy from the best, guys. In-house mechanic. We do our own service work, and we go through the vehicles. Talk to you guys soon.